Hello friends, back again on your boy channel. And here there are three big trucks, guys. There is red color, green color, and also blue color. We'll put the toys one by one into this truck, guys. Okay, guys, let's take the first toy and load it into the first truck. And this one is a toy off-road car. This off-road car is orange and has 4 wheels. We save it again. We take it again. And this one is an orange race car. We take it again. Wow! And this is a water tank car. This water tank car is colored blue and red. We take it again. Whoa, there is a car transporting animals from the zoo. Look, guys, here there is a caterpillar toy. This caterpillar toy is green in color. We take it again, which is the red colored truck, guys. We take it again. Whoa, and this is a sand transport car. This car is yellow in color. We take it again. Whoa, and this is a red-colored race car, guys. We take it again. Whoa, and this is a yellow fire engine, guys. Whoa, and it turns out that the red truck is full of toys. Let's move to the green truck. We take it again. And this is a blue toy that is a steel tank. We take it again. There is a construction car. Is Bico car, guys. We take it again. Whoa! And this is an old-time car, guys. The name of this car is Bajaj. We take it again. Whoa! And this is a sand transport car. This car is yellow in color. We take it again. Wow, there is a cool blue racing bike. We take it again. This truck 4 is a box truck. We take it again. Look, guys, and it turns out that this is a white racing car. We take it again. Whoa, and this is the blue fire engine, guys. Wow, look, guys, it turns out the green car is full of toys. We continue to the next car. We take it again. And this is a red Pertamina tank car. We take it again. Wow, there is a green box car. We take it again. Whoa, there is an off-road car that is orange in color. We take it again. Wow, this is a Bico car construction car. We take it again. There is a tank car, which is red and white. We take it again. Whoa, there is a red Tayo bus car. His name is Gani. We take it again. Whoa, there is an excavator car. This car is orange in color. He's very big, isn't he? We take it again. Whoa, there is a Transformers robot toy. Wow, there's a Bumblebee too. Okay, guys, we got a lot of toys. Let's take it home right away. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and comment, guys. See you, bye-bye.